right, see this place here? This place was an art studio. Someone opened this thing up. I don't know the owners. I don't know who they are. I don't know anything about them other than I watched them move into this place. I watched them be all excited about this place, and they painted the exterior and they set everything up really pretty, and they put signs out front and they said grand opening and this and that, and then the next thing you know, they're out of business. And I see this all the time. I see companies go out of business. I see contractors go out of business. I see little stores like this go out of business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys what I believe is the biggest reason that small businesses, and especially contractors, are shutting their doors down. The biggest reason why they're failing, and it's probably not what you think. All right, so listen, I'm driving down the street and I just see this place, like I shared at the top of this thing, another business shutting down. Now, this is pretty dang common, right? I mean, we probably all know at least one business owner that had to shut their doors, and a lot of those are probably contractors. And here, this individual here, they painted this place. They're trying to sell rare art and do a bunch of stuff. And here's my guess. My guess is they failed to implement what they already knew to do. And that's really what the whole point of this short video is here today for you guys, because every single day I get messages from people. People are asking questions, and the theme is often, hey, what's the next flavor of the month? What's the next simple, easy button that I can push to gain ground in my business, to get more customers, to make more money, to be a better salesperson, to find employees, or whatever it is? Guys, there is no easy button. In fact, I'm going to go out on a limb here and just say it like it is, to the detriment of my own damn YouTube channel and podcast. You don't need to watch any more of my videos. You don't need to listen to any more of my podcasts. You don't need to go on Google and look for the latest book on sales or whatever your issue is in your damn business. You simply need to implement the shit that you already know to do. Guys, it's that simple. Think about weight loss. Every day, millions of people are dropping money on how to lose weight programs, weight loss programs. They're buying the latest thing that's packaged in a way that's going to get them there to the weight loss goal that they have, when at the end of the day, pretty much every damn human being knows if you want to not be fat, you consume less calories and you increase the calories that you burn. So you eat less and you eat right, and you move your damn body. Yet everybody's looking for, like, well, what's the special program? What's the special diet? What's the special workout or sleep pattern or whatever it might be? And yes, I understand there's intricacies to all these things. But at the end of the day, it's simple. And the reason why most people are walking around fat asses in our country is because they don't implement what they already know. So let's take this right now simply to your business in the contracting world. And hopefully this will keep you from going out of business. What do you already know to do? Seriously, think about that just for a second. What do I already know to do? I'm going to go out on a limb and say you already know that you need to sell something every day. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that you need to spend less money than you bring into the business. That's, at the end of the day, that's what a profit is, guys. You have more coming in than you have going out. Okay, so if I sell every day, I control my costs, and I respect people. Like, let's just take those three things that you already know to do. I'm going to sell every day, I'm going to control my costs, make sure I have money left, and I'm going to respect people, meaning my customers, their neighbors, my industry partners, my influencers, my employees. Think about how different your business would be right now if you simply implemented those three things. Because at the heart of every piece of content that I do in my business, at the heart of everything that we do here in the Contractor Fight, it could pretty much come down to those three things. Number one, sell your shit. Number two, control your spending, your cost of goods out on the job site. Make sure you're not spending more than you estimated. And then on your overhead, make sure you're not spending more than you need to. And then we talk about building a team, attracting people, all right? Building a culture of respect that respects people all over the place. If you just did those three things, your business would be light years ahead of as it is right from where it is right now. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to beat this to death here today, but we were just driving by this place today, and I'm like, holy crap, that place is out of business already. It was just a few months, and chances are there were things that this business owner knew that they needed to do that they didn't do. And for you, it might be, I know I should be making prospecting calls. I know I should be doing the daily social media that I do. Okay, let me add a fourth thing. Sell your shit. Well, you can't sell your shit unless you market your shit. So this is off the fly today, guys, because we were just driving by here. All right, so let me add that fourth thing. Market every day, sell every day, control your costs, and respect people. All right, so you just got a bonus one on accident there. Chances are this person knew that there was shit they needed to do to market their business. Maybe they already knew that they were pricing their work too cheap or their products too cheap. Who knows? But most of us know deep down, I need to raise my prices. I need to do more marketing. I need to build my website. Do you see where I'm going here? You already fucking know what you need to do. Now go do it. Just go do it. It's not rocket science. We're not putting a space shuttle way the fuck up there, okay? That's my challenge today for you guys. Do what you already know to do before you start trying to hoard all this other information. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you listening to my shit. I appreciate your comments and your questions and you sharing with people. I totally appreciate that. But more importantly, I'm asking you, implement what you already know to implement. All right, share this video with somebody that you know needs to get off their ass and implement what they already know to do. And we'll see you guys next time on Contractor Fight TV.